Adorned with beautiful shades and unique patterns, rare variegated indoor plants showcase nature's creativity. Their colorful leaves bring charm and elegance to any space, turning simple rooms into peaceful and attractive spots. Let's explore these amazing and uncommon indoor plants that add a special touch of beauty to our homes. Alocasia friedeck variegata is a stunning and rare tropical houseplant admired for its velvety dark green leaves streaked with striking white or cream variegation. Each leaf features bold, arrow-shaped patterns that create an elegant contrast, making it a true showpiece indoors. This plant thrives in bright, indirect light and humid conditions, reflecting its rainforest origins. With its dramatic foliage and sculptural form, it adds a touch of luxury and sophistication to any space. Though it requires gentle care and consistency, the reward is breathtaking beauty that makes Alocasia friedeck variegata a prized gem among collectors and plant lovers alike. Philodendron Paraiso verde is a captivating tropical plant celebrated for its elongated leaves beautifully streaked in varying shades of green and yellow. Each leaf displays a one-of-a-kind marbled pattern, making it truly unique. Thriving in bright, indirect light and moderate humidity, it brings an exotic and refreshing vibe to indoor spaces. Its name, meaning green paradise, perfectly reflects its lush, vibrant foliage that evokes the serenity of a rainforest. With its graceful growth and ever-changing leaf variegation, Philodendron Paraiso verde stands out as a rare treasure that adds elegance and life to any plant collection or interior decor. Alocasia dragon scale variegata is a rare and enchanting variety admired for its thick, textured leaves that resemble the scales of a mythical dragon. The foliage shimmers in shades of silvery green, deep emerald, and creamy variegation, giving it a striking, almost magical appearance. Compact yet bold, this plant thrives in bright, indirect light and high humidity, reflecting its tropical origins. Its sculptural form and dramatic patterning make it a living piece of art, perfect for adding mystery and elegance to any indoor plant display. Alocasia dragon scale variegata is truly a collector's gem that embodies nature's finest craftsmanship. Philodendron micans aurea variegata is a rare and elegant houseplant known for its velvety, heart-shaped leaves adorned with golden yellow variegation. The foliage shimmers in shades of deep green, bronze, and lime, creating a soft, glowing effect under light. Each leaf features unique marbling, making every plant truly one of a kind. Thriving in bright, indirect light and moderate humidity, it grows beautifully as a trailing or climbing vine. Its luxurious texture and luminous colors add warmth and sophistication to any indoor space. Philodendron micans aurea variegata perfectly combines beauty and rarity, making it a prized addition to plant collections. Monstera deliciosa albo variegata is one of the most sought-after variegated plants for indoor collections. Its large, glossy leaves feature dramatic white and green marbling, creating a striking contrast that feels both bold and elegant. Each leaf is uniquely patterned, with splashes, streaks, or entire sections of creamy white. Thriving in bright, indirect light and humid conditions, it grows into a stunning statement plant that adds a tropical yet refined charm to interiors. Slow-growing and rare, Monstera albo symbolize natural luxury and artistic beauty, making it a true showpiece among houseplant enthusiasts and collectors. Philodendron biliaceae variegata is a rare and striking tropical plant admired for its long, narrow leaves splashed with vibrant yellow and creamy white variegation. The bold contrast against its deep green foliage creates a stunning visual display. Distinctive orange petioles add extra character, making it a true collector's favorite. This elegant climber thrives in bright, indirect light and high humidity, where its glossy leaves can fully showcase their unique patterns. Known for its sculptural beauty and rarity, Philodendron Biliaceae variegata brings a touch of sophistication and exotic allure to indoor spaces, embodying the perfect blend of elegance and tropical charm. Syngonium podophyllum albo variegatum is a charming and popular variegated houseplant prized for its arrow-shaped leaves splashed with white and green patterns. Each leaf displays a unique mix of creamy white marbling or bold patches, giving it a fresh, artistic look. Compact and versatile, it thrives in bright, indirect light and moderate humidity, making it easy to care for. Over time, its trailing or climbing vines create a graceful, cascading effect. Syngonium albo adds brightness and elegance to any indoor space, offering a perfect balance of simplicity, beauty, and tropical sophistication. Aglaonema pictum tricolor is a highly sought-after and rare houseplant admired for its camouflage-like foliage. Its leaves display an exquisite mix of deep green, light green, and silvery patches, creating a beautiful, painted effect that resembles army camouflage. Native to the rainforests of Sumatra, this plant thrives in warm, humid conditions and moderate light. Compact and slow-growing, it's perfect for adding a touch of exotic elegance to indoor spaces. Beyond its striking appearance, Aglaonema pictum tricolor symbolizes balance and tranquility, making it a prized gem for collectors who appreciate plants that combine subtle artistry with natural resilience. Begonia white eyes is an enchanting indoor plant admired for its shimmering, frosted foliage that appears dusted with silver-white hues. The leaves, accented by deep green veins and a subtle metallic sheen, create a cool, elegant contrast that lives up to its icy name. Compact and decorative, it thrives in bright, indirect light and prefers consistent moisture with good humidity. Its delicate appearance hides a resilient nature, making it both beautiful and manageable for indoor gardening. Begonia white eyes adds a refreshing, luminous touch to any space, embodying the perfect blend of grace, texture, and botanical charm. Monstera adansoni variegata is a stunning and rare climbing plant known for its distinctive fenestrate leaves splashed with creamy white or pale yellow variegation. Each leaf is uniquely patterned, making it a living work of art. Its delicate holes and marbled tones create a striking contrast that adds texture and elegance to any interior. Thriving in bright, indirect light and high humidity, it grows beautifully as a trailing or climbing specimen. Compact yet dramatic, Monstera adansoni variegata brings a tropical sophistication and modern aesthetic to indoor spaces, making it a prized favorite among plant lovers and collectors alike. Philodendron bipennifolium variegata is a rare and eye-catching plant admired for its uniquely shaped, lobed leaves splashed with shades of creamy white, yellow, and green. The playful, almost horsehead leaf form gives it a sculptural and artistic presence indoors. Each leaf displays a one-of-a-kind blend of variegation, making it a living masterpiece. Thriving in bright, indirect light and high humidity, this tropical beauty grows as a climbing or trailing plant, adding a touch of luxury and drama to interiors. It perfectly balances elegance and boldness, making it a standout addition to any rare plant collection. Spathiphyllum picasso is a stunning and rare variegated variety of the peace lily, celebrated for its bold splashes of white and green across each leaf. The striking contrast resembles brushstrokes on a canvas, living up to its artistic name. Compact and elegant, it thrives in bright, indirect light and moderate humidity. Like other peace lilies, it also produces graceful white blooms that enhance its sophisticated charm. Easy to care for and air-purifying, Spathiphyllum Picasso brings both style and serenity to indoor spaces. Its unique foliage makes it a true statement piece for collectors who appreciate refined natural beauty. Calathea White Fusion is an exquisite and eye-catching indoor plant prized for its beautifully patterned foliage. Each leaf features a stunning blend of white, green, and soft lavender tones with delicate brushstroke-like variegation. The undersides reveal a gentle purple hue, adding depth and elegance. Known for its air-purifying qualities and tropical charm, it thrives in bright, indirect light and high humidity. Though a bit fussy, its dazzling appearance makes the effort worthwhile. It brings a touch of artistry and luxury to interiors, standing out as a living masterpiece that embodies nature's most graceful creativity. Homlomena rubescens variegated is a rare and elegant tropical plant admired for its heart-shaped leaves marked with creamy white, light green, or golden variegation. The glossy foliage, supported by reddish stems, creates a beautiful contrast that adds warmth and sophistication to indoor spaces. This plant thrives in bright, indirect light and prefers moderate humidity, making it an excellent choice for modern interiors. Known for its easygoing nature and subtle fragrance, it combines beauty with resilience. It brings a serene, tropical charm to any room, embodying both grace and strength in its stunning variegated display. Philodendron Pink Princess is a highly sought-after and glamorous indoor plant celebrated for its striking dark green leaves splashed with vibrant shades of pink. Each leaf displays unique patterns, ranging from soft blush streaks to bold magenta patches, making every plant a one-of-a-kind masterpiece. Its rich, contrasting colors create an elegant, royal appeal that brightens any interior space. Thriving in bright, indirect light and moderate humidity, it's both eye-catching and manageable to grow. Philodendron Pink Princess perfectly blends rarity and beauty, symbolizing creativity and sophistication, while adding a touch of modern luxury to any plant collection. Syngonium Three Kings is a rare and elegant variety admired for its stunning mix of green, white, and silvery variegation. Each arrow-shaped leaf showcases intricate marbling that looks hand-painted, giving it a refined and artistic charm. Compact and versatile, it thrives in bright, indirect light and moderate humidity, making it ideal for indoor environments. As it matures, it can trail or climb, adding lush texture and depth to any space. Syngonium Three Kings is prized among collectors for its unique coloration and graceful growth, perfectly blending tropical beauty with timeless sophistication in every leaf.